Hi, good morning. Good morning. Push up. It's outside. Good morning, guys. As you may have already understood by now, Harsh and Sumit have brought me to an incredible place last evening. It's a secret waterfall and it's really in the middle of nowhere. We took a while to get here. We had to ride through all sorts of trails and stuff and get here. And by the time I got here yesterday in the evening, it was just so incredible and magical to watch and to just be able to experience this magic. So that's why I told the boys that, boss, I just want to soak it all in. I just want to look at this. I don't want to film it all. देखा जाएगा, सुबह जो कर सकते हैं वो कर लेंगे. And here we are now. What did I come here on when I have the cat with me? Because she's clearly not going to sit pillion on a bike with me. That's not going to happen for sure, right? That's a story I will tell a little later. But this is what I came on. The new BS6 Himalayan from Royal Enfield. It's one hell of a looker. Yesterday when I entered the city of Nasik before we got to this place, I actually had a cop that followed me for a while and then stopped me while I was riding, and I got like a little worried that I had broken the law in some way or the other. And he stopped me and he gets out of the car in a pretty stiff face he's got, and I was like, shit, what's going on? And then he's like, madam, एक photo लेना है, मेरे को अपनी बेटी को दिखाना है, ये बाइक आप चला रहे हो ना, ये बाइक मुझे दिखाना है. And I'm like, can you smile and say that to me? Like, stop me while smiling and saying photo लेना है. Like, because that's literally the amount of attention the Himalayan, this particular Himalayan is getting. But I also think that this pine green really pops and stands out really well. And of course, when you're riding a bike with nice two big boxes and like the panniers, of course they like shout out even more, because then people think you're doing like a K2K ride. Quickly gonna take you through what Royal Enfield has done with this motorcycle. So it is essentially the same engine, 411cc, 24 horsepower, the same BS4 engine basically. There's no engine upgrades whatsoever. I think more or less it's more cosmetic with this bike at this point. So firstly, they've got these three cool colors. This is the coolest color of the lot, of course, the pine green. There's also a black and there's a silver / pearl. Yeah, I wish that you'd do like some more color with the Himalayans. Of course, like camo based colors. For starters, they have added the chipper navigation system from the Meteor. Remember I spoke about that in my Meteor video? Basically, your phone connects to the Royal Enfield app and that connects to your phone via Bluetooth. And then it takes you wherever you want to go. But it does not show you notifications from your phone because, hello, this is not meant to do that. It's meant to get you from location A to location B. If it's going to show you notifications on your phone, then you might as well just sit with your phone and not travel. There's new windshield going on. It's got nice branding on it. It's nice and tinted. It's definitely taller, I think. Yeah, definitely taller than the last Himalayan. This has definitely been reworked on, because I remember most people, like the taller riders, never enjoyed riding the Himalayan because of the way this was designed, and that has definitely been reworked. I have not found any issues with that, so I'm okay with this or that. Dono theek hai mere liye yaar. Still a very friendly seat height. The Himalayan, I've always loved that about it. Not super tall, so you can take it off-road, and if you need to like paddle your way through the off-road because you're not very good with trails like me, then this is one of the great advantages of owning a Himalayan. So the seat height is 800 mm. There's a bit of a tippy toe, very slight actually. It's almost negligible. There is a new metal plate on the rear rack which says max load 7 kgs. But I think this is just going to make it easier for us to mount our luggage, and I guess the luggage will also sit better when with this metal rack on here. So I'm going to take you through the panniers as well, since Royal Enfield has very sweetly placed the panniers for me to take on this trip. I'm going to show you what the panniers are all about. So you can essentially put stuff which is 5 kgs only inside of this, nothing more than that. So 5 and 5, because I rode with panniers on a long trip after a very long time. You can't go above 100, 110. Because the motorcycle does not like it, but you realize there's an unsettling feeling coming from the rear, which is not something you want to constantly experience. So because I was gunning it and all in the corners and stuff, and then I started to realize, okay, I'm not feeling very good from the rear end, but still it makes your life so much more easier, because you get 2 boxes from Royal Enfield, and you literally, on short trips like this one, which is we did an overnighter, I literally could have packed everything in the panniers. Just let me show you how they, like how I can dismount them and mount them. I'm just going to dismount these now. Unmount, dismount, whatever the word is. Yeah. Okay, that's done. And there, done. Pannier dismounted. So the new Himalayan is 2,01,000 ex showroom, which is effectively about 10. Sorry, I'm getting hiccups. I'm sorry. Which is 10k more. Good morning. How are you feeling today, friend?
Namaste, madam ji. Saman kidhar lagao?
See, you were asking, no? How did I come?
Cat carrier, luggage carrier, all carriers.
I tell you, it's such a sad life these boys lead. Shut up, okay? I'm also very nice.
Absolutely.
That's my cat. She's calling out to me. Sorry, guys. So yeah, effectively 10,000 more than the older Himalayan. I'm sorry, but I have to stop doing this. She's meowing. My hiccups are not stopping, so shut up. So yeah, this is how we did it this time. I had to ride the new BS6 Himalayan and experience it. I also dropped it, as you will see in the video. Because I'm so good at off-road. Like, off-road is just my space. I take a bike and somehow or the other it always drops on my foot. And then from the inside he's like, just jump off the bike. You're supposed to jump off the bike. These are the kind of bikes you're supposed to jump off.
You don't need to be so attached.
But essentially, this is how we did it. I convinced Rishad to get in the Zen and bring Cruella along, because I really wanted all of us as a family to experience this trip, to experience this secret waterfall rather. Did you enjoy? He enjoyed. I mean, we made him do Hamalgiri on his day off, poor guy. And we are very sorry. All my, like, if you like Rishad Modi and do watch him on Autocar, then please write in comments that you like Rishad Modi. Let's go, Rishad. Let's make a hashtag.
Hey, no,
let's make Rishad Modi trend. Hashtag let's make Rishad Modi
I have no
trend.
interest in trending anywhere.
He just wants to ride. So anyway, Yeah, I'm going to go continue riding now. I have a bit of a iffy foot, but I have to ride back all the way to Bombay because MotoGP starts this evening and we have to get there in time. Otherwise, he's gonna kill me. The cat is asleep at the back. So I hope you enjoyed what we did with this video. We're going to try and find many such places. The boys will try and find many such spaces that we can go to the next time. And we'll try and shoot when it isn't so horribly hot, when all of our energies are sapped. So yeah. Please, can you do? You do this all the time, na? Like, subscribe, share, and all. Do.
I don't know why we have to keep asking you all to do it. Just understand that after every video, please like, subscribe, and share. Let's consider this for all of Bike with World's videos going forward. And
Rishad Moti's autocar videos also. Yalla, 1 million and all. Hum chote log. 17. We are now going to hit 70,000. मतलब क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग यार? You all don't love me enough. I just want to say that. जाओ.